Welcome to the Community Brew Podcast, Commerce and Conversations, brought to you by the carefree Cave Creek Chamber of Commerce, where local business meets local flavor in the heart of the beautiful Desert Foothills region. We're serving up fresh insights, inspiring stories from business owners, experts, and community leaders shaping our vibrant community, including simple strategies to help you grow your business faster. And now, here's your host, President and CEO of the Carefree Cave Creek Chamber of Commerce, Steve Feld. Welcome to the Community Brew Podcast, where commerce and conversations take place with the Carefree Cave Creek Chamber of Commerce, your go-to podcast for tips and strategies to grow your business faster and smarter. I'm your host, Steve Feld, President and CEO of the Chamber, and today we're talking about most businesses' most avoided items, the importance of financial statements to grow your business faster. Now, most business owners are not accountants, and they usually don't even know how to read their own financial statements. And if they're prepared by a CPA or a bookkeeper, they really don't have that connection. Today, we're going to break down how small business owners can quickly learn how to read and analyze financial statements to drive smarter decisions from a 30,000-foot viewpoint. Now, you may know how to read your financial statements already to make those adjustments in your business. You may not understand the basics of how these impacts all those lines and how to make the decisions in your business today that's going to affect your business down the road. Now, let's make a quick note. If you don't know how to read your financial statements, it's okay. Most business owners don't understand it. But please reach out to your CPA, your bookkeeper, and have them go through it with you and explain it line by line. It will make a huge difference in your business. So we're going to give you that high viewpoint of them today. So let's start off with, why is understanding your financial statements, why does it matter? First of all, you have to know what are your basic financial statements. We've all heard the income statement, that P&L, profit loss. Well, that just tells you if your business is profitable in a set period of time. Your balance sheet shows what you owned and what you owe, assets versus liabilities. And then your cash flow statement tracks the flow of money coming into your business and going out of your business. So it is important to understand why you need to understand what they do. First, knowing how profitable you are, that income statement, it can help you make adjustments to your costs and sales and your marketing efforts. Now, understanding your financial position at any given time is your balance sheet. It's a snapshot of what your business looks like at that moment, usually at the end of every month. If you're ever looking to sell your business in the future, you need to have a strong balance sheet. And then ensuring your business has enough cash to keep it running, that cash flow analysis. This is a great forecasting tool to see how your business's cash flow will look like in the future based on historical and known data. So you might be wondering, what's the real benefit of knowing how to read your financial statements? A strong financial insight enables faster, better decisions about expenses, investments, future growth plans. You can make adjustments on every month instead of waiting to meet with your CPA once a year, which I don't recommend. At least meet with them a couple times a year. And the lack of financial knowledge could lead to missed opportunities or unintentional business struggles. You may be losing money every month and not knowing the basic understanding of your business financial statements. So get that knowledge. And here's 3 highly effective ways to read your financial statements. We're going to focus on some key ratios for a quick insight. First, look at your profit margin from your income statement. The profit margin is taking your net income and dividing it into the total revenue, which means how much profit are you making for every dollar of sales? Now, this is going to help you understand whether you need to raise prices, cut costs, or increase sales. Now, compare your profit margin to your industry averages to see if you're in line or you need to make some adjustments. If you're in an industry association, you can get this data from them, or have your local librarian help you get that data from the federal government, well, for free. Next, let's look at your current ratio from your balance sheet. Now, your current ratio is calculated by dividing your current assets, what you own, by dividing your current liabilities, what you owe. This provides you with a measure of liquidity, whether your business can meet short-term obligations. It's a great indicator of your financial health. A ratio over 1 means you can cover short-term debts. It's a good ratio to review every month to ensure your business isn't heading towards a cash crunch. And the third ratio to look at is your cash flow to debit ratio from your cash flow analysis. So to calculate your cash flow ratio, take your cash flow from your operations and dividing it into your total debt. This states how well you're managing debt with the cash of your business generates. Many of you know how high debt can stifle a business growth. So this ratio helps you ensure that you can manage debt without harming your cash flow issues. If the ratio is low, consider reducing debt or improving operational cash flow. The next area to look into is tracking and analyzing the trends over time. Don't look at your financials as a singular snapshot. Look at it month over month, year over year, to see how key metrics are evolving. You might notice a small dip in revenue or profit in 1 month, but it's part of a trend. It may signal also a potential issue. Set a time every month to review key metrics like revenue, profit, and expenses. Look for patterns that indicate positive or negative trends. This is great if you have a business that's essential or drops off in the summer. The final area to look at to break down your expenses is by category. Analyze your expenses in categories, such as marketing, payroll, rent. This also lets you see where you can cut costs or invest more. Each category then could be very detailed, with each expense having its line item to find out what your true expenses are. And business owners often focus on revenue growth, but they forget to control expenses. By understanding where your money goes, you can cut unnecessary costs, freeing up cash for investment. You can even think about your own personal investments. Think of how many subscriptions you are paying for every month and see if you really need them. Also look for non-essential or bloated expenses and reallocation funds to the areas with the higher returns, such as marketing or product development. I know you might be saying, hey, Steve, where do I start? Here's some just practical applications to use. First, you could start pulling your latest income statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statements from your financial software, QuickBooks, whatever it may be. Use the 3 techniques above to assess your financial business health today. Set a monthly reminder to track trends, review ratios, and adjust your strategy on the findings. If your financial statements still feel like reading Greek to you, then I highly, again, encourage you to work with your bookkeeper or your accountant and have them go through everything with you so you can read your financial statements on your own. They understand these insights and accessibility. They should be accessible to you as a business owner. And if you want to understand your financial statements, it's no matter what, get that financial expertise. These people should be helping you understand your financial statements, not just pumping them out and going, here's your financials. So to recap, the importance of understanding a financial statement for your small business growth. Take 30 minutes this week, review your financials using the techniques I shared with you today. There are many other resources out there to help you understand your financial statements. You can look at other people sharing their experiences and asking questions on many social media platforms. Also, Arizona Commerce Authority, Small Business Administration, they have a lot of resources, workshops, tools to help you out on this topic. And mastering your financials is the first step to mastering your business. You got this. Thanks for tuning in to the Community Brew. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this episode with fellow business owners. And follow us on social media for more insights to grow your business faster. Until next time, understand your financial statements to make better decisions in your business. These 3 simple strategies can help you really grow your business. I'm Steve Feld with the Chamber, wishing you all great business success. Thanks for joining us on the Community Brew Podcast, Commerce and Conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, fellow business owners, and community champions. Don't forget to check out our other episodes for more tips, stories, and strategies to help your business grow, all served with a local twist. Until next time, stay connected, stay inspired, and keep brewing success in the desert foothills. The Carefree Cave Creek Chamber of Commerce wishes you much success.